In this video, we'll see text split, text after, and text before function, and how it will be used in a real-time functions. Here we have a full names. I want to split into first and last name. Here we'll use as a text split function. Let's see, type equals to text split, open parenthesis, and select the cell, comma, double quotes, space, double quotes, close parenthesis, enter. Now drag it to the down. Here we have a result that is first and last name are split from this full name. Here we have a quotes. I want to get only the cities from this quotes. Let's see. Type equals to text after, open parenthesis, select the cell, comma, double quotes, give a backslash, double quotes, comma, just type 2. The 2 is the second backslash that is presented before the city. Close parenthesis, enter. Now drag it to the down. Here we have a result of the cities and we have took from this code. I want to get the usernames from this mail IDs. Here we'll use as a text before function. Equals to text before, open parenthesis, select the text, comma, double quotes, at the red, double quotes, close parenthesis, enter. Now drag it to the down. Here we have a result that we got usernames from this mail address using a text before function. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.